Hello YouTubers! You may be wondering, what is Evan cooking now? Well, today I'm making a very simple wrap with hummus, lettuce, figs, tapenade, and my world famous sauerkraut. I have a nice package of hummus that I purchased from All Things Delicious, located in Pine Bush, New York. Supermarket purchased tapenade, romaine lettuce, sliced yummy dried figs. For dessert, I have my the tangerine, and my sauerkraut. So let me rotate this so you can see what I'm doing here. So I purchased this at the supermarket, low in carb. This is ancient grain, 60 calories. A drittal calories, too many calories. 60 calories, that's pretty good. Made with quinoa, amaranth, spelt, and more. So this is from the supermarket. This is the last one. I have to go back and buy more. Then I have my hummus from All Things Delicious. I'm going to take a little bit of hummus, just a couple of teaspoonfuls. This is going to go back in the refrigerator. I'm going to take some of the tapenade, just a little bit, not much. This is going to go back in the refrigerator as well. Then I'm going to spread this around a little bit. Then I'm going to put in the figs. You know, if you don't have figs, you can put some other dried fruit. Then I'll put in some lettuce, the romaine lettuce. And here comes the star of the show, sauerkraut. So let it drip a little bit. And a little bit more. Right there. That's it. Done. How easy was that? 1, 2, 3. That was nice and easy. Took me less than 2 minutes to get the ingredients out, 2 minutes to put everything together, and it will take me another 2 minutes to eat it. So what I'm going to do is I have some extra lettuce here, but what I like to do, I like to have the lettuce on the side. So as I eat the sandwich, I'll have the lettuce on the side along with the tangerine. That's it. It was a quick and easy video. Happy eating. Bye.